Hi everybody, this is Douglas, and I'm here to show you another quick couple chess puzzles and try to figure out the best solutions. So, right away I'm going to be looking at the knight that the pawn is moved to, forcing me to move, going back. But usually in puzzles, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for their kind of a mistake. I can't check them this time. I don't want to take the pawn right away with my pawn, because then I'll just be getting my queen. Looking at my queen, can't get it into any better position. And then sometimes the obvious ones here, so it might be that you just overlook it. So if you want to pause the video here, I think I might have figured it out. Okay. So I think it is first you just take with this pawn up here. And, okay, so that's part of it. And then, oh, so that's why they moved their pawn up to take my pawn. Okay, so then just taking the pawn with the pawn or the knight. Or moving my other knight on F to E, but I don't really see a fork there. And I would be dropping my knight, actually, on C in check. So taking here, okay, that was it. And that prevents that little check there from the queen. I could definitely see the bishop coming in to go to B4 here to put pressure on checking and doing a little fork there. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, so they just took my bishop with the knight. I take his bishop up there. That's check, and then, all right, let's see. I think I figured it out. Pause the video here. Okay, so let's take here, forcing him to move and taking the knight. So I'm up 2 on the exchange, and he has 1 left.